Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in the newspaper of today, Thursday, July the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the tectonic Jigsaw Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Well, news of today, well, I've told you earlier, Holland has lost the game. The semi-final from England. England will go to the finals. All right, let me see. The second puzzle, 4-star Sudoku, number 8879. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 again. Should be a 2-star puzzle. 2-star puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with a 4-star Sudoku, 4 stars, so it should be 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit to solve this puzzle. All right, let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? The number. 7. Need a 9 here. Need a 6 here. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column. There are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row above. There are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Okay. 3. 3. Okay. Well. Let me think. Well, we have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 8 should be there. 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, no 6 there. So the only place left for 6 in this row should be there. Okay, so 2 numbers left. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Here. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6 here. 4, 6, and a 1. Well. How about the number? Need a 9 here, need a 2 here. 7. We have a pair, the 7 and the 6 in this column. The 7 and the 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Alright. Need a 4 here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for 2 should be there. 1, 8. Need an 8 here. 1, 8. 8. 8, 1, 8. Need a 5 here. Interesting. 3, 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 9. Need a 3 here. Well. I'm stuck. Come on. 5 in this row. Oh, we have a pair. 5 and a 6 in this row. 5 and a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left. The 5 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 5. Okay. Then let me see. Need an 8. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 here. 1, 4, 6. Come on. I'm thinking. 5, 9. Ay. 3. Three. Think. Need a 9 there. 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Need 2 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers 2. Here can be 2. We have 2 in the first row. No 2 there. Here, these 2 boxes can be 2 because we have a 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column. Should be there. So the 1, the 5, and the 8 are missing. 1, 5, and 8. 1 and the 5. Well. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the third row. The only place left 2 should be there. Oh, I need 8 here. Need 8 there. Nope. 8 there. 3. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. Last row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 7. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. Okay. 7. 5. Come on. 5. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. I need a 3 here. 3 in the first row. 3 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 now only 2 places level 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 4, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6 are missing in this column. Well, we have 4 and a 6 in this row, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 2 numbers left in the third row for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 8 should be here or there. Well, 8 should be here or there. Well, we need an 8 in this big square. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place level 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next on that column, only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then let me see. 5 and 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place level 1 should be there. Yes. 12 minutes already passed. 12 minutes. Alright. 7 and 6. We have 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. Only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place level 7 should be there. No, I need a 7 here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then we have a pair. 5 and a 7 in this row. 5 and a 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 5 and 7. It goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. Wait. We have 2 missing numbers here. And one box. Let me do this one box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9 again. And 1 box left in the first row for number 1. 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this. No. Here should be also 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. 50 minutes. Well. well, not faster than 50 minutes. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, this one, the tectonic. And in the evening, I will solve the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.